After an hour's driving through billboards, I doubt that any of the billboards will make any impression. This phenomenon is known as sensory adaptation. What is sensory adaptation? It is getting used to certain sensations, becoming accommodated to a certain level of stimulation, and becoming less able to notice a particular stimulus. This is a major concern for marketers. This is why they constantly change their promotional campaigns, because they understand that their consumers will get used to those campaigns, and the advertisements will no longer make any impression on the consumer. In order to break the clutter, oftentimes consumer companies come up with out of the box campaigns and completely innovative or different campaigns. Sometimes they do backfire, but they have to break that clutter just because of this sensory adaptation.